Hi guys, have you ever had leftover chips that you feel like throwing away? Have you? So these are my leftover chips for yesterday, and they look horrible. They don't look appetizing, and I'm sure by now the taste has already changed. So guys, I want to show you what to do with leftover chips. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give me a thumbs up. Put your notification bell on so that anytime I upload a video, you get notified.